Here I have INFINIX Hot 30 Play, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. Firstly, let's go to settings, then you should go to the special function, and here you can find accessibility. In accessibility you can find Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback. After that, Talkback tutorial starts immediately and it starts talking non-stop, like this.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Page 1
So
of
basically
5.
I'm just gonna skip this tutorial and explain it to you briefly. So basically this mode is made mostly for people with blindness and some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud items on the screen. So for example, you tap on this text and all this text gets spoken out loud. You tap on some button, this button gets spoken out loud. You tap on some just like title or banner, this item gets spoken out loud. So when you tap on the button,
Close button. Double tap to activate.
it also indicates that you can double tap to activate, but it doesn't indicate that you have to double tap anywhere on the screen, not specifically on this button. So to confirm it, you just double tap like this, close, double tap, and that's how you can do it. So if you want to disable Talkback, tap here, double tap, stop, please, and that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.